We are in Livingston, Montana. We're about to build a Trex deck over this triangle-shaped concrete patio. The large trees, the tree root, uneven, unsafe surface. So we're gonna float right over those with some steel joist, Trex elevation steel joist, and install Trex select decking on top of it. All over joist. All we have to do is run some midspan blocking on the bays that are longer than 8 foot, and then we're ready to run board. Almost done with the deck boards. We're installing our picture frame board detail. That one single board perpendicular to the rest of them conceals the end grain of all the rest of the boards, so you don't have to look at the end grain. It's completed. We now have one perfectly flat level that is only one step lower than the adjacent concrete patio, as opposed to 3 steps down, which makes it a lot more user-friendly and safer to use. We have our picture frame board pattern to cap the end grain on this side. We have a Trex fascia over here, and then to cap it all off, we have 2 Trex Adirondack chairs from Trex Furniture.